Hi. Welcome to InspireUI. The Category Remap feature allows users to define a new multi-category tree that is different from the backend site. Now I will rename the bags category to New Collection and move the men category into a subcategory of the new collection. Let's see the result after the change. Now the men category is a subcategory of the new collections. You can use this remap feature on category screen and side menu. It is very useful for the Shopify app, which categories don't have multi-level. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.